if you wanted to get a picture.
What's your favorite one so far?
Weren't you at Clark
County?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the black truck, right?
Yeah, Survivor.
Yeah. What happened when you landed and your helmet like flew up?
It was loose, so I just grabbed it and threw it back on.
Okay.
Yeah, I need.
That's the first time I've seen that happen.
It doesn't happen very often.
Yeah.
That was my. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And that was the second show. I was still pretty hurt from the first one. I only did one hit the first show.
Yeah. Your back.
My spine, and I could just barely move. So that was a bad day.
Yeah, I heard that monster truck is an old, maybe older fashioned type monster.
A little bit, yeah. It's actually the guy that owns it still doing the new that ride truck right there. He's the same owner.
And the zombie.
Yeah.
Right.
It's a good truck. It's got a really good name. That's the first time I had ever sat in it and done anything.
Okay.
That's Mike. What's your name? So yeah. I'm usually crewing for this one. So.
Right. That's what Lloyd was saying on it.
Yeah. No, it was fun. I was glad to get the chance.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm feeling a lot better this time. So
yeah.
We're all good.
Okay, thank you.
Have fun.
Okay. Do anything? Mr. Dizzy is handing out autographs. Where? Autograph cards right there. You want to get autograph cards? Okay. I know what they're doing.